Hello there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie and I do makeup videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I want to share with you products that I have used, loved, and will definitely repurchase again. I don't normally do like a best of the best per year because here in my channel, I have really managed to successfully limit the things that I buy because I really wanted to focus on technique and how I use them instead of really reviewing product per product per product in a 30-minute video. So, this is actually my first time na magsasuggest talaga ako sa inyo yung mga talagang matagal ko nang ginagamit and siguradong bibilhin ko ulit. And so, as I share with you these products, I will also put on makeup para rin medyo makita ninyo or masabi ko sa inyo talaga bakit ko sila gusto. Ready na ba kayo? Let's start. So, naglagay lang tayo ng super cute na headband na I got from Momoso over Christmas. So, let's start with primer. I have bought in the how many years that I've been doing this channel, just two products, two brands. In the past, I've already tried Smashbox, Shuyumura. I don't repurchase them because they are so expensive. Parang buti na lang, dumating na tayo sa taon na ito na marami na talagang options. Pero between these two na ginagamit ko, ang pinakamadalas kong gamitin is this Aqua Grip by Vice Cosmetics. So, guys, you've been here. You know exactly why I really love it. Transparent and it gets really tacky in the feel in the face. But the longevity of the makeup whenever I use this, I can assure you that the makeup really stays on your face. Next is foundation. Over the years then, there are steps in my makeup routine that I've added, deducted, but definitely the primer is always the first and then now foundation. Okay, I have two. These are the best of the best foundations I have tried in the last 3 years. So these two. Confession, I haven't really been using this long enough, but it's already in the best of the best. Kasi sobrang ganda niya sa skin ko. But wait a minute, dun tayo sa OG na ginagamit ko. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation will always be something that I will repurchase again. Ang setback lang nito, yung price point. Pero para sa akin, kahit na mahal siya, sulit siya bilhin kasi ang tagal mong gagamitin. The only thing that I did not anticipate while using this, I think I have been too under the sun for how many years, and when I started working again in our shop, namuti yata ako. My skin tone, nawala yung darkness. Kaya parang naging too dark yung formula nito for me. That is why I got this one. Hindi naman ako nagsisi kasi sobrang sakto ng shade niya, shade match niya sa akin, and then ang ganda pa niyang gamitin sa skin. Bukod sa may coverage siya enough for my skin, parang flexible siya, but whenever you apply it, even with your hands, it really lands so softly on your face and it doesn't give you creases or bunches. Ito lang, ang formulation nito, it's a tinted serum. So it adds goodness to the skin. So for today, ito gagamitin natin. Over this December, every time I use this for like every day, hindi ito dumadaan sa brush. Sa fingers ko na lang. And I really just put enough. This is by far have exceeded Maybelline for me. It's because of this. I can do this to the foundation and it will still give me coverage. I can use my fingers to just let it nourish my skin and then sige. Lagyan lang natin ng para assured tayo na yung buong face ko malagyan. This is what I like now with foundations. I used to always like matte, right? But as you age, the needs of your skin really change. What I appreciate about this product is that it is giving me a coverage. It really looks like skin pa rin. It is also buildable and it is very mild on the skin. Kaya sobrang gusto ko siya. So, ngayon, sige, I will use brush to just add a little bit more and gives me enough coverage. Maybe that's another thing, no? Hiyang yata ako sa hyaluronic acid. So, next is tools. I have to say it first because I will be using it in this entire video. And, sorry, madudumi sila. It's the K-Fresh Beauty Premium Face Brushes. Bakit sila nasa the best? Marami akong brush, guys. But mostly, they are very cheap, galing Shopee. And they are good quality. I also have other expensive ones. However, these were just the right price. They are actually a really good dupe of the Real Techniques brush that I have a few. And for this set, for at least these ones that I bought, I have been using them nonstop. Kaya madumi sila. Sobrang happy ako with this set kasi bukod sa maganda yung price point niya, nasa 100 to 150 pesos per brush lang siya. Swak siya sa budget na 1,000 pesos or below. Yung parang innovation na nagawa nito na kahit mura siya, sobrang galing niya pag nag apply ng makeup. Siyempre, nasa tao na rin ano, kapag gumagamit ka ng brush at alam mo kung paano gamitin. Pero these were so easy to understand and use. That's why parati ko siyang ginagamit. Next, concealer. I have only used 3 in the last how many years, but these are the 2 that I will keep repurchasing, tried and tested. Both from Maybelline, and this one is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This one is from Fit Me. Foundation that we use today, I would like to use the Maybelline one. Because, okay, this one, I think I bought the wrong shade. Ang kagandahan dito kahit minsan magkamali ka sa shade, alam mo yun, nagbe-blend siya eh. Magaling sa blending to eh, kaya nakakatuwa. And yung difference lang ng Fit Me, actually halos pareho sila. You really just have to blend it well so that hindi siya nagki-crease lahat dito. I mean, not creasing. Hindi siya nagsisettle dito lang. You need to really spread it nicely. This is so good, but the shade is not right for me. Tingnan mo to, it just melted. The NARS one I've used in the past, but that one kasi talagang pareho sila ng Fit Me halos. Pero the only setback of that, mahal. Hindi ko siya i-repurchase. Not right away. The expensive ones. For concealer kasi, parang naiisip ko, sige na, sa mura ka na, na maganda naman. Siguro, magbabago lang yung choice na yun kung, let's say, walang Maybelline na maaasahan. I would buy a set or something. Next is this. Guys, this is the surprise of the last 2 years, I have to say, because they are so good. It's the BLK Radiant Glow Filter. Like, I love using them a lot. Itong Radiant Glow Filter in Oat, I would actually sometimes use it as a foundation. It has some coverage, but I need to be careful. So, areas lang na I really want to glow, doon ko siya ilalagay. Still with my K-Fresh Beauty brush, yan pa rin. Lagyan natin yung mata ng konti. Sometimes, with the L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum, you don't need to apply this, but I'm feeling inspired. So let's use it para lang makita nyo how good it is. Alright? And then, let me also use this one. This is actually, ginagamit ko to contour or to bronze my skin. Sige, let's do it. Let me just use it here first. It's really, really nice and it's really good. See, it's so beautiful on the skin. I'll apply a little bit here, okay? You need to really spread this properly kasi sometimes it's seen. Kitang-kita mo pag mali. You have to dig it in and make sure that you applied it well. It looks so natural. It doesn't look like you've added something and it turns muddy. No, this is done right and it gives a lot of difference on the shade. But later let me just show you. But I'm just so amazed by this. It's so good. So I'm using the term flexible too much on this video because tama ba yung term ko na yun, flexible? Like this one, it's a really good product because it doesn't disrupt your makeup. So yes, these two are just one of the best that I've bought in the last 1 year or 2 years. Wow. I've been using it every time that I can. It has been part of my routine. Matagal ko pa itong i-repurchase kasi guys, ang dami pa niya. Pero definitely, bibili ako nito ulit. So next is blush and I have 4 blushes that I love so far. 2 are not available here in the Philippines, so they become like the latter. If you ask me, this is the second one that I've bought from Juvia's Place. And this one is the first blush that I've ever tried from Milani, but because they don't have it here in the Philippines, I have to source it pa from sa mga pasabay sa Shopee. It's not easy to get. So, kapag aalis ako ng bansa at nandun sila sa pupuntahan ko, definitely bibilhin ko sila. Kasi ganun sila kagaling. Ito, it is so different from this one because ito super luminous. Sobrang ganda talaga sa skin nito. Hindi ka magkakamali every time you wear it. This one packs a punch on blushes and I really, really love it. This is by far my favorite. But for the local ones, ito yung I will repurchase again kapag naubos na. Definitely the Everbilena Pillow Pop Liquid Blush and the BYS Trio palette. All of the blushes here are all pigmented. Pero dahil ito ang nandito, I will repurchase them again. Meron akong gusto i-try sa Everbilena which is their baked blushes. Tingnan natin kung makaka-compare siya sa Milani. Pero right now, si Milani, I don't think magagawa niya or makakayanan ng ibang blushes yung quality niya. But definitely, itong apat na to, yan, ito yung the best of the best blushes na I have at na for sure, uulitin ko ang pagbili. Gamitin natin dahil ito yung nandito. So, another quality of this Everbilena na sobrang gustong-gusto ko is the fact that it is so blendable and easy to use that you will not have a hard time using it. And even by just your fingers, walang kahirap-hirap. And then later, pag nag-blend pa yan with all the other products that I have on, ayan, ganda lang. And then later on, after I put on powder, I will apply maybe the Milani one for that luminous effect. So, but for now, ito muna. Next is eyebrows. And, well, I'm only using 2. Kaya there's not much of a comparison. And I use them both on different occasions or different situations. So, I have like a really good eyebrow pencil and like an eyebrow wax. But for today, since basic lang naman ang gagawin natin, I'll use my Bobbi Brown. This one, you know, I was gifted 2 pieces. Sa tagal ng panahon na nasa akin to, hindi naman siya tumigas. And it looks like it's a really good product nga talaga because I have not stopped using this at all. I tried buying Nishido, but between this and the other local eyebrow pencils, parang ano lang napansin ko lang, maraming akong shade na hindi match. I will definitely, kahit mahal to, alam kong mahal to, I will repurchase this again. Next is eyeshadow. And I am going to suggest to you only 2 because these are the 2 that I pick up the most. I have a lot and it's quite difficult to compare eyeshadows. You know why? At least for me, I'm not heavy on it. So any eyeshadow na kahit local will work. But some, you just see the difference right away and that's why these 2 are the best of the best that I have. This one, medyo may chance kang makakuha pa nito because it's in Sephora, Philippines. So, at least ma-order mo siya. Si Milani, nasa Shopee. Yun lang kasi, every time I buy from Shopee, I just make sure that the sellers that I buy from are those that have really good feedback or has 5 stars, wala masyadong issues na seller. Siguro, pasusugal ko yon. Pero by far, kung mamimili ako between these 2, ito pa rin talaga si Natasha pa rin yung pipiliin ko kasi ganun siya kaswabe gamitin. Guys, Tagalog na. Hindi ko na masyadong susosyalin pa kasi yung pinaka-swabe gamitin, pinaka-smooth, walang issues, it's Natasha. Okay? Na talagang ang ganda gamitin ng eyeshadow niya. Hindi ka magkakamali. I want to include MAC here, itong floral one. Pero, ang ano lang talaga nito is sobrang mahal for eyeshadow. Kaya hindi ko siya sinama. Or sa quality, it can compare. Ito lang talaga, Natasha is like a cut above the rest. Iba yung impact or iba yung feel right away, alam mo na napakaganda niyang eyeshadow. The dark one now, I've applied, see, a little, you only need a little, and this is my most favorite part of applying this, is every time I do this. See, it's so pretty. Like the warmth of my finger really makes the eyeshadow like so good on the eyes. Ayan o. Tara! That's why. That's why I love this. Okay, next are eyeliners. I've used a lot of eyeliners, but these are the ones that I feel are the best. But let me just rank them, these three. This is top three, the Charlotte Tilbury. It's so good. The shade is perfect. It's really nice. The only setback, expensive. And also, it's going to dry out quickly. Hindi siya madaling ismudge. And then second is the BYS one. Madali siyang ismudge at madali siyang gamitin. But the one that really caught my eye and it's the one that I use repeatedly is this one. Guys, it's the Nishido eyeliner and by far the only one that I trust. This brings home the cake because why? Because una ang cheap, 129 pesos and it is comparable to any of your expensive eyeliners. Let me show you. See. Yeah, see how pretty? And then the shade is also perfect. Parang dito sa atin, no, pag sa local makeup, yung mga eyeliners, hindi ganun ka-rich yung shade ng browns nila. Normally, parang nagiging shade ng cappuccino, latte. Ito, very rich brown, which I love kasi it compares to the Natasha Denona one that I've been eyeing on Sephora and the one from NARS, yung Mambo. The shade seems to compare to the NARS one. Kaya I absolutely love this one. At saka hindi ako magdadalawang isip dito, bibiling ko to agad. Dahil 129 pesos lang siya. Let me just use this one. This is also from Nishido. This is not in my top 3 because of the shade. That's the only reason. But it's the same quality as the Nishido brown. So let me just smudge it here. Oh, nakakailang minuto na ako. Pero, ano pa rin, nasa-smudge ko pa rin yung product sa eyes. I've always used brown eyeliner because I just feel like they are really flattering on my eyes. I would use black sometimes, but it has to really match the makeup. So, but definitely, Nishido, 129 pesos. So good. Next, mascara. For mascara, I've only just used two products. The Heroin Make in brown and the Maybelline. Maybelline, this one changes. Like depends on the ones that are available. But this one, this Firework mascara is really super good. Kasi bukod sa, ang ganda niya sa eyelashes talaga, I really love the applicator. See you. Parang very easy to use. But between the two, I will be using the Heroin Make one because ito I've been using since 2018. I've repurchased this so many times already. And it's my favorite brown mascara talaga. Let's add another layer to this, okay? Because that's what I also learned recently. Natuto akong just use the mascara to really plump up or pump up the lashes without me really needing to use a curler. Okay, on to the next. Okay, next is powder, and I only have one. Best of the best that I have been using nonstop. And it's, guys, ito talaga. The Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. Guys, wala na. I have so many. I have the Coty Air Spun. I have the e.l.f. one. I have the NARS. But all of them, I hardly touch because this is the one that really works so well with my skin. The others work well too, but this is just next level. The skin really looks flawless. Yan ang gusto ko dito. Parang you don't see na nag-powder ka. You know, sobrang ang ganda ka with, this is my Precision powder brush from K-Fresh Beauty. Tapos, when you give it time to set, it is so pretty. Absolutely pretty. So good on the skin. Mattifies, but then it gives you that proper glow. It doesn't cover entirely the, for instance, you have applied yan, yung mga glow products mo, it will not cover it up so much, but it will work with them. I hardly also ever have to use it matagal bago ka mag-retouch kasi ganun siya ka-efficient. And then we're gonna go back to the blush. You already know that I'm gonna apply this one, the Milani one, to be like a topper with my blush brush, also from K-Beauty. I've happened to really love this one also because it's big. When you sweep it on your cheeks like that, parang siya na bahala kung saan maganda ilagay yung blush placement sa skin mo. Kung saan, 'di ba? Parang humuhulma siya dun sa cheeks ko kasi I have high cheeks. Tapos parang perfect na perfect siya kapag nilalagay ko kasi nga sakto eh. Talagang dun eh. Oh. Next, guys, lipstick. Madami. Napakadami. Ito yung pinaka nahirapan ako. We have 5 brands of lipsticks that for sure I will be repurchasing again and again and again. Let me just show them to you per brand. 5 brands sa top 5. Lalagay ko tong, I should do a swatch video of this or sayang, 4 na sila, di ba? This one, the Maybelline Superstay Liquid Lipstick. Okay, guys, this is my top 5 because it's super matte and it's quite matte that it's going to be hard to remove if I apply it now. So I'm gonna choose muna ha. I'm gonna give you first the top ones, kung ano yung pinaka gusto ko. The Pioneer one is my favorite shade, and then next is the Amazonian because it's super flattering on my skin tone. Super pigmented, super long wear. No setback, guys, because when you use it, you kind of know that it's matte. And yun nga eh, nabudol ako ni Marge Maroquet dito. Sinabi nito sa video niya, if you know, you know. Yeah, yun eh. Like, you really can't explain how good this is, but they are. Like, when you wear it, you know that, it's gonna last you a long time. Next are the Issey Solar Bombs and the Issey Lip Bullets. This is a surprise for me. Una sa lahat, hindi ko to in-expect na magiging sobrang galing nila. Yung pink ang gamitin natin para medyo light lang. This one is like a surprise, this one. The shade Camp. Like, it is so beautiful on its own, right? It is so moisturizing and a value for money product. That's why, when it was on sale, I grabbed the opportunity. Then mamaya, sa tagal kong gagamitin yan, when it absorbs on the lips, like it gives you that nice plump lip, not dry. And for 40 something, for 45 and above girls like me, we need that now. We need lipsticks that will help in the moisture, to add more moisture into our skin so that the makeup looks flawless. And then another surprise of the Issey one is this one. This is like their matte lipstick, but it's also super pretty color, and it's in, oh, this is also Camp. Oh, sorry, this is the shade Camp, the matte one. Okay, next, hindi mawawala sa aking collection si Revlon. Tried and tested. I always love them. It's an easy option for those days na gusto ko lang ng hindi matte. Gusto ko lang ng moisturizing on the lips. Out of all the shades that I have, my most favorite one is the Raisin Rage because it looks like a deeper tone, a deeper shade of rum raisin. Talagang quality and mura pa siya. Last two that I will repurchase over and over kahit mahal. Top 1 sila pareho. Of course, the MAC Ruby Woo. Lamang to dito. Why? Nandito to. At saka mas mura to lalabas kesa dito sa Fenty liquid lipstick in MVP. This one, once maubos na, I will repurchase. I will definitely repurchase because it is that good. But I will only repurchase these two in the red shade because the way that I will purchase these things, hindi na ako mag-experiment pa ng ibang shade. Talagang I will go right away to the shades that I know will be the best. And MVP for Fenty is the best red liquid lipstick out there. And then this one, Ruby Woo. Also my number 1 MAC Maximal Matte lipstick. In the past, I would alternate the Ruby Woo and the Russian Red. But since ang dami ko ng reds dito, ito na muna ang pinili ko. But for the sake of this video and something you haven't seen me try out, I will use the AC1. I was looking for a really nice hot pink nga sana eh. But I couldn't find a really good hot pink shade. So when I saw this one, I go, okay, this is the one that I'm looking for. Diba? Now, this is like supposed to be a matte lipstick. You know what? I have to say, a comparison. This is in bullet form. This is in liquid form. But they kind of feel similar. This one is a very nourishing liquid lipstick. It's the same for the Issy one, and it really does. They feel similar. I don't have like a really good matte pink or magenta type of shade. So, perfect. Thankful I got this one. But let me just fix it up with like a lip liner. Like I'm only using this to refine the lipstick. So since I used a lip liner to refine my lips right now, let me just show you ano yung pinaka ginagamit kong brand of lip liners na feeling ko sa lahat na natry ko na this past few years, ito talaga ang pinaka nag-work. There are only two that I would recommend. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium. No, it's not a medium, sorry. The Pillow Talk Original Lip Liners in liit to. And the MAC Ruby Woo, or any MAC actually. Any MAC shade. Basta MAC na lip liner. Parang sobrang sulit. Kahit na ganun yung presyo niya, guys. Parang para sa akin, sa tagal mo gagamitin, kung paano mo gagamitin, ito yung dalawang the best. For the Charlotte Tilbury brand, this outperforms the lipstick, and I would rather buy their lip liners than the lipstick itself. Ganun kagaling yung lip liners niya. Kaya yan, ito yung dalawa na marirecommend ko sa inyo. And last but not the least, I really wanted to share with you a hair care. I don't normally show you how I take care of my hair. So, okay, let me just show you now. So, guys, my hair has always been super curly, super big, quite hard to manage. So, it's always in a bun. It's always in a headband whenever I would do our videos. But in the last how many years, tinigil ko na yung pagkukulay kasi I am loving my hair right now. Na lalo na nung pandemic, nung talagang walang pumupunta sa parlor noon, di ba, sa takot. Pero yes, that is when I really appreciated it the most because my natural curls just came out. It just decided to show itself. What do I do to take care of it? Okay, first, I do the CGM, the curly girl method. Pero guys, tamad ako. So I use the shampoo and conditioner of this brand, the Zen Nutrients Curls. But this is the leave-on conditioner, by the way. Ito yung nilalagay ko kapag wala lang. Gusto ko lang maganda at manageable yung hair. Ito, katulad ngayon, I've applied enough leave-on moisturizer so that this will not be like sobrang puffy or dry. Like this is like the perfect product for my hair. But I also take care of my hair by doing like once a month. I don't go to the parlor anymore to have my hair treated, do like a nice nourishing product to it. I do it myself na. But the one that I've used in the last how many years that really works so well, it's this one. It's the Tsubaki Premium Repair Mask. Guys, this, mabango pa siya. It really packs a punch. Every time I use this product, my hair like retains a lot of moisture. Talagang gumaganda pa lalo yung kulot ko. So every time I would apply this, it would take a while until I use the leave-on. Kasi pagka-shampoo, pagka-dry, the next day lalo na super manageable ng hair, super curly, super moisturized, super nourished kapag gamit ko to. The two things that I would recommend, of course, know your hair, like know what suits best for you, and nourish it even more at home. So this is the final look, guys. And actually, as always, I've always loved the makeup that I've been using because, again, tried and tested. In my channel, I always want to make sure that the ones that I recommend to you are those that I have 100% tried, tested, and definitely loved. And so that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kung may mga products sa video na to na gusto nyong itry, sana nabigyan ko kayo ng magandang insight kung gusto nyo sila subukan. Now, if you've been using these products and you just love them, leave a comment below and let me know. Also, kung meron din kayong makeup you would like for me to try, let me know in the comment section and maybe I can test them out and use them in the next few videos. So with that, have a great day, guys. Goodbye.